In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import JSON data into Trello. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want your JSON data to be imported. In this example, we're already inside a board, so from here, head straight to the setup. Look for the Power-Ups option on your board and click it. This is where Trello lets you extend the board's functionality with extra tools. After that, click Add Power-Ups so you can search for the one you need. In the search bar, type Import to Board JSON for Trello. When it appears in the results, click Add to enable that power-up on your board. If Trello asks you to confirm, click Add again. This just gives the board permission to use that import tool. Once the power-up has been added, go back to your board. You should now see the Import to Board icon available there. Click that icon to open the importer. This is the tool that will read your JSON file and turn it into Trello content. Next, click Browse and choose the JSON file from your device. Make sure you select the correct file, since this is the data Trello will use to create your lists and cards. After the file is selected, choose the option that says Import All Lists. This tells the importer to bring in every list and the cards inside those lists, so the full board structure is recreated as completely as possible. Now wait for the import to finish. Depending on the size of your JSON file, this may take a few seconds or a bit longer. During this part, it's best to let the process complete without refreshing the page or clicking around too much. When the import is done, review your board carefully. Check that all of your lists are there and that the cards appear in the right places. This final check helps you confirm that the JSON data was imported correctly and that your board matches what you expected. And that's it. Your JSON data is now imported into Trello. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, if something doesn't look right after the import, double-check the JSON file you selected and make sure it's the intended version before trying again. It's also a good idea to import into the correct board from the start, especially if you manage multiple projects in Trello. Once everything looks good, you're all set to continue working with your imported lists and cards. Congratulations, and thanks for watching.